Okay, number 2, we have SR CBOE BZX 2021-045. Define the term step up ADV and introduce a new single market participant identifier, or MPID, investor tier. Let's take a look. So, a brief timeline of this filing. The exchange initially filed this proposed rule change on June 1st of this year, and you can refer to SR CBOE BZX 2021-044 to get information on that. However, on June 9th, 69, 2021, the exchange withdrew that filing and submitted this proposal. This proposal is now scheduled for implementation and approval tomorrow, Moon Day, T21 Day, Tits Jack Day, 6/24. Now, the purpose of this filing is pretty similar to what we saw out of the NYSE when they designated retail orders. They're basically trying to get some order flow market share back. The exchange first notes that it operates in a highly competitive market in which market participants can readily direct order flow to competing venues if they deem fee levels at a particular venue to be excessive or incentives to be insufficient. Specifically, the exchange is only one of 16 registered equities exchanges, as well as a number of alternative trading systems and other off-exchange venues that do not have similar self-regulatory responsibilities under the Exchange Act to which market participants may direct their order flow. Thus, in such a low, concentrated, and highly competitive market, no single equities exchange possesses significant pricing power in the execution of order flow. So that's why we've been seeing all of this market activity going in the dark pools, because in this filing itself, it brings up the fact that no exchange out there has more than 15% market share for order flow. So the market makers are running the show, which is why we don't see any liquidity in the markets during this period of time, like today and recently. Now, the exchange in particular operates a maker-taker model, whereby it pays credits to members that add liquidity and assess fees to those that remove liquidity. So in essence, rebates. It's all rebate-based. That is the big driver of order flow, is the rebates. So this filing basically is increasing those rebates to incentivize participants or members to direct their order flow to the exchange. So the second thing they're going to do is they're going to create a single MPID investor tier. Now, again, MPID is an ID that registered members identify themselves with when making trades. I'm sure you've seen it in Webull or another trading platform all the time. You see the infamous one with 2 dashes in it. You know what I'm talking about. Anyways, it says right here, pursuant to footnote 4 of the fee schedule, the exchange currently offers the single MPID investor tiers that provide members an opportunity to receive an enhanced rebate from the standard rebate for liquidity, adding orders that yield fee codes B, V, and Y, and meet certain required volume-based criteria. Now, B, V, and Y, all that is, it is the fee code appended to each tape for the BZX exchange. So fee code B is for BZX tape B, fee code V is for BZX tape A, and fee code Y is for BZX tape C. ADAV is just your average daily added volume, calculated as the number of shares added per day. It's calculated once per month. TCV, this is what I've been actually working on for a few days, means total consolidated volume calculated as the volume reported by all exchanges and trade reporting facilities to a consolidated transaction reporting plan for the month for which the fees apply. Now, while that's not exactly what I've been trying to do, I've been working on getting data from every exchange so I can compile a true short volume for a particular day, but that's a different story. Anyways, back to this filing. In essence, the exchange operates in a highly competitive market in which market participants can readily direct order flow to competing venues if they deem fee levels at a particular venue to be excessive or insufficient, or the incentives to be insufficient. So the proposed rule change reflects a competitive pricing structure designed to incentivize market participants to direct their order flow to the exchange. That is what this is all about. They want more order flow. They need more liquidity, as we have all seen. It's all being done off exchange. So they're doing fee changes. They're trying to do everything they can to incentivize these members to increase their liquidity, and they thought by the additional single MPID investor tier, they thought by implementing that it would further encourage members to increase their liquidity on the exchange in order to meet the proposed criteria to receive those enhanced rebates. So again, it's all rebate based. you know, they're going to be driving the liquidity into the market or the trading platform where they get the most rebate back. So this is an attempt to get some of that market share back, and that's basically all it is. Let's go ahead and see what happens. It's sitting there ready to go for tomorrow, as well as the next 12 or 13 other things I'm about to bring up. So next,